Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 22 of Vlogmas, and I know I'm a day late on this, but I had a day off yesterday and all I want to do was sew Christmas presents, and that's all I did, and didn't want to take a break on working on a Vlogmas video until I finally had everything almost done. Emphasis on the word almost. But we're gonna be working on a pillow cover in a envelope style, which is having a fold in here. I like using this type of style for making pillow covers. I'm not a huge fan with the zippers, but I just want to have this because I change my pillows every season, so that's why I do a fold over. It's just easier and less of a headache when I want to put a zipper in. And without further ado, let's get on with a simple video. As you guys saw in the intro, I'm going to use this poinsettia design with a black background and then use a black base cotton as the backing. The size of the pillow is 18 by 18. I have enough for the facing, but for the back I'll be going by 18 by 10 inches and then do a double fold end of the opening. Sewing down the double fold first on each piece. And then with wrong sides together, I'm going to start pinning my back piece to the front piece. And then once I finish that, I'll be sewing all the way around. As always, trim your corners and then grab your piece and fold it inside out. And then stuff your pillow in the pillow cover. And that is it, guys, on how I made this simple envelope pillow cover. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give this video a nice like. And if you want to follow me on my other social media accounts, all the links are down below in the description box as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for further content I will be doing for the rest of the Vlogmas challenge, as well as the new year. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye.